Did you know wildfires can create their own weather? It starts with dry grass and trees acting like kindling, while the heat rises and wind spreads embers miles ahead. These tiny sparks ignite new fires, making the blaze unstoppable. But here's the wild part: the intense heat generates massive updrafts, pulling in more oxygen and creating a firestorm, a fiery vortex of destruction. In minutes, what started as a small flame becomes an uncontrollable inferno. This is why rapid response and prevention are crucial to save lives and land.